Here, come here, come here. Stop there, that's good. And then turn it a little bit.
Would you leave the lights on?
Yeah, if you don't mind, yeah, better.
Yeah. Oh yeah?
Trying to cover all bases, getting all the different types of shots, so later on I'm like, shit, I didn't get any pictures of the wheels or the wing mirrors or anything like that. Nah, don't worry too much.
I just want to see your angle.
It looks good from all the angles. Fitment's nice on it.
Yeah.
It's tight, but it's good, yeah. It looks like real smart. Can we turn the steering wheel the other way now? Thank you, roll.
It'll turn.
Just scraping the arches as it does. You want to try this one? You want to just swap? Oh yeah, it actually looks fucking crisp on the 85. This is good because you can get those nice kind of widey shots. Oh, that needs a clean at some point. Just don't shoot in there. Super high apertures. 85. Oh yeah. All right, I'm happy if you are. Do a cheeky location switch. I think I'm going to want that lens back in a minute as well, but not yet. We'll do some shots first so you can get some shots there, and then a little cheeky video, cheeky behind the scenes. Yes. Turn, yeah, a little bit more, a little bit back. No, under the back, face of it. Face of it. A little bit more, a little bit more. Yeah, mate, no rush, no rush. I was just fucking with you. I was just fucking with you. No, I wasn't. Yeah. He shot here before, so he kind of knew this location. I've never been here, but it's...
Just the few windows that are open is bad.
Motherfuckers. Make loads of noise and I'll close them. Rev it loads. It's a perfect example of why you need a wide angle, though.
Yeah, for this kind of shots.
Yeah, and the thing is, like, at 200 mil, it's going to be more compressed, but you can get a very similar shot at 85. You're not going to, you know what I mean? Like, you're not going to lose that too much initially. Eventually, you'll want it, but.
I like more
Me too, especially with cars and bikes. But if all your shots are compressed, then they start looking. That's why every now and again, getting like a really like naughty wide one like this is like. I don't really like Dutch angles, but it kind of looks mean on certain cars. So. But no, once you're done with that, can we put it just right in the middle and then straight steering wheel, and we'll just get some like dead on front and back. I might fly the drone as well and get a little top down thing. Oh, it's such a nice car, mate. It sits so well as well. Is there a time you need to be done or need to go or anything? You can stay all night.
The wife is working till 8.
Nice.
So if I leave here around 8, then we'll be home around the same time. So.
Perfect. What ages then? Yeah, there's something about. Oh, I fucking love M3s, mate.
That's good. I like that. Yeah, that's nice.
There's going to be some like, and these are like just raw out of the camera. When we get a nice edit on them as well, they're going to be like. You're going to get some mad shots.
Are you gonna use them as promotional material for yourself?
Just gonna post them on Instagram. I've got a YouTube where I post a bit of motorbike riding, a bit of behind the scenes photography. And to be honest, that was kind of my main. The YouTube was my main focus. But through that, I started doing more photography. Through that, people started messaging me saying, "Can I have photos?" So now I've just started charging people. So like, but the car stuff, I've only really done. I haven't really done any shoots, so I want to get a bit more of a portfolio, show what I can do, and then if people start messaging me for shoots, I can say, okay, it's X amount, and I've proved that I can deliver.
At the right time.
You're here at the right time. Same for QB. Like QB charges for motorbike shoots, but me and him just don't do much. Yeah, because I want to. I've got a Toyota G86. Yeah. Like a highly modified one, like wide body kit, like just like crazy modified. That I want to shoot in probably Rotterdam. Oh mate, it looks fucking mean. It looks so good. Tabernacles, I battle rappers and shatter shackles. Have to pack or pack and they crackle. It's like an Adam's apple. I never claim to be perfect. I got a lot of issues. What's the verdict? Devin got murdered. Swear to God, I miss you. Slinging tracks, pay them back. Kick it back. I wish I could bring them back. Wish I could get us out the hood for good. Sometimes I'm feeling divine. Sometimes I'm losing my mind. I freak the beat, the beat, the beat, the beat, the beat, the ground. I keep on running, never stop until the beat shot. We gon' take it to the top, so my beat shot. I keep on rocking, never stop until the beat shot. Till the beat shot.
tripping ever since. Plain and simple, train the mental, play the keys and hear my sound. Intonation, connotation, pencil in my ups and downs. Till my words read my lips, lust the rise, peel the clips. Passion mixed with poetry, potently poking me my shit. Sometimes I'm feeling divine, sometimes I'm losing my mind. I freak the beat, the beat, the beat, the beat, the beat, the grind. It's so my life's like heavy notes, like right, steady quotes, quote the keys, knowing me and see me sees. And they injecting me, touching the keys, affecting me. It's something like telepathy, fuck it, but they neglected me. I feel the keys and then my fingers make them sing a song. Simultaneous, the pain in us to make them sing along. Sometimes I'm
Heckling me.
sometimes I'm losing my mind. I freak the beat, the beat, the beat, the beat, the
Should be alright, shouldn't it? What's up? Wait, hold on, let me take my jacket off. Just casually smoking at a gas station. She was super chill, so this is the chillest gas station people have met. So, it's the shot.
Buckle. The times I doubt myself and I'm wondering if I'm capable. Too many stresses, little blessings, aggravations, half the nation, poverty, but God can see everything like monopoly. Sometimes I'm feeling divine, sometimes I'm losing my mind. I freak the beat, the beat, the beat, the beat, the beat, the grind. It's like a carrot, it's low, they gon' explode for real. I'm about to do a cable for paper, decide the fuck I feel, fuck a deal. Fuck a stage, fuck a mic, fuck it all on everything, anything, everything I write. Just say goodnight to me and fade to black. Tight despite I made a track, keep it going non-stop, bring it back. Sometimes I'm feeling divine, sometimes I'm losing my mind. Freak the beat, the beat, the beat, the beat, the beat, the grind. I keep it rocking.
An eighth of a second. Not sure if that's actually going to be stable. So that's with the black mist. Hey, I'm happy I've got some bangers. It's just like something out of a magazine, this car. I mean, I'm happy I've got some sick ones.